Hello everyone, I'm Shivani Trivedi from ABS Engineering College, Ghaziabad. Today in the series of compiler design, we are going to discuss about what is token, what are the patterns and what are the lexemes. Because in the university exam, there is a frequently asked question about you have to count the number of tokens. So these are the topic that I'm going to cover in this video. What is token, what are the lexemes, what are the patterns and some example in which we see how to count the number of tokens. So, what are the tokens? In the simple language, I can say token is a valid word in any language. Like I can say one example, int a equals to 5 semicolon. So, what is int here? Int is a keyword. Int is a keyword. Likewise, a is a variable name. What is equal? Equal is an operator, assignment operator. And what is 5? 5 is a constant. And here semicolon act like a separator. So keyword, variable name, operator, separator, these all are the categories. They all are the typical groups of tokens. Yes. So in a definition, what's the proper definition of tokens? Token is basically a sequence of characters that can be treated as a single logical entity. Now, next we see what are the lexemes. There always there is a confusion between tokens and lexeme. What are the tokens and what are the lexemes? In the previous example, what is int a equal to 5 semicolon? Int is a lexeme, but it comes under the category of keywords, and keyword are the tokens. A is a lexeme. It comes under the category of variable name. Equal is a lexeme. It comes under the category of operator. 5 is a lexeme. It comes under category of constant. Likewise, semicolon is also a lexeme. It comes under a category of separators. So keywords, variable, identifier, operator, separator, they all are the tokens. And what are the lexemes? Like example, float is a lexeme, equal is a lexeme, semicolon is a lexeme, S723, the one digit is also a one digit or number is also a lexeme. So what are the proper definition of lexeme? The sequence of input character that comprises a single token is called a lexemes. Another definition I can say it is a sequence of characters in the source program that is matched by a pattern or for a token. Pattern we will see in the next slide. What is a pattern? Then only you can understand this definition. So next we see what is a pattern. Pattern is basically a rule which describe all those lexemes that can represent a particular token in a source language. पैटर्न बेसिकली क्या होता है पैटर्न चेक करता है कि एक पर्टिकुलर लेक्सीम is a valid token or not. Suppose there is an example, same example, int a equal to, sorry, another example, same example, int a equal to 5. So int, it check, pattern check कि int हमारा valid token है या नहीं है. int क्या है? लेक्सीम. a क्या है? लेक्सीम. पैटर्न क्या है? पैटर्न इज अ सेट ऑफ रूल्स जो चेक करता है आपका कि ये आपका वैलिड टोकन है या नहीं है. तो रूल्स यहाँ किस तरीके के होंगे? देर आर सम प्री डिफाइंड रूल्स. हर एक लेक्सीम के लिए कुछ रूल्स डिफाइन होते हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ग्रामर्स. In the series of compiler design, you further see what is a grammar and what are the rules, how we write the rules. So rules are basically a grammar rules according to which we check. Rules pattern means a grammar rule, a set of grammar जो check करता है कि ये particular lexeme एक valid token है या नहीं है, valid है या invalid है. Now we see some example how we count the number of token, which is a frequently asked question in the university exam. One statement is there, int max brackets में int I. So int is basically a keyword and it is also a valid token which comes under the category of keywords. Max. Max is also a function name. It is also a function name and it is also a valid token. Bracket is also a valid token. Int is also a valid token. I is also a valid token. Another closing bracket is also a valid token. And semicolon is also a valid token. So there is a total 1. How many tokens are there? Int, max, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is a 7 tokens in that. They are all. Also, they all are the valid tokens. Please, you have to remember here that it is not only the rule to count the token. आप अलग अलग एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे, उसमें अलग अलग तरीके होते हैं टोकन्स को काउंट करने के लिए. दिस इज ओनली वन एग्जाम्पल हाउ वी सी कि int is a keyword, max is a function name, brackets comes under the category of valid tokens. Int is again a keyword, I is also a variable name. Next example is there. Int, this is a code snippet in which we have to count the tokens. Remember that this is a comment, and comments are always omitted. Comments are always omitted when we count the number of tokens. So we will start how we count the token. Int is a keyword 1, main is a function name 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Total 18 tokens are there. This is a very scoring question. If you learn the rules how we count the token, if you practice the number of questions, then this is a very scoring question in the university examination. And also this question comes in the GATE examination also. Next example, printf. एंड स्टूडेंट्स गलती यहाँ क्या करता है कि पहले वाले रूल की तरह इसको देखता है, लाइक printf इज अ कीवर्ड, so this is also a token, this is also a token, this also a token, this also a token. 1 2 3 4, so total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. डायरेक्टली स्टूडेंट क्या आंसर लिखता है कि देयर आर 9 टोकन, बट दिस इज रॉन्ग. दिस इज रॉन्ग. टोकन्स आर printf is a token, दिस इज ऑल्सो टोकन, एंड डबल कोट्स में ये जो स्ट्रिंग कांस्टेंट है इसको हम एक ही टोकन ट्रीट करते हैं. डबल कोट्स में कुछ भी चीज होगी उसको हम एक ही टोकन कंसिडर करेंगे. दिस क्लोजिंग ब्रैकेट इज ऑल्सो टोकन, दिस इज ऑल्सो टोकन. तो देयर आर 1 2 3 4 5, देयर आर 5 tokens in that. printf 1 2 3 4 5 tokens in that. Student always do mistake here that there are 9 tokens, but this is wrong. There are 5 tokens in that. String constant will be treated as one token. Similar example, printf is one token. 2, अभी मैंने आपको बताया कि डबल कोट्स के अंदर कोई भी चीज होती है उसको हम एक सिंगल टोकन की तरह ट्रीट करते हैं. 3 4 5 6 7 8. Again there are 8 tokens in this example. Next example, this is the last example. Let's see how many tokens are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Again string constant. 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27. So there are 27 tokens in that. So in this video we will see about what is the number of what is tokens, what is lexeme, and what are the pattern. Frequently asked question, how to count the number of tokens. कभी कभी यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम में काउंट नंबर ऑफ टोकन्स के साथ साथ लेक्सीम्स, पैटर्न्स और टोकन्स की डेफिनेशन भी पूछी जाती है. So these are the references which I use to cover this videos. If you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe the CETL ABS channel. Thank you.